Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2019 Subaru Impreza and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. So once we finish prepping the lens, now we can start with the installation. So with this one, just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And just to help it tack down a little faster, just apply Tack Solution right on the edge of the headlight. Align it and place the film right on the edge here. Make sure you're covering this section here, and it should align perfectly to the design of the headlight here. So this one is a two-piece installation. So this piece covers just this front section of the headlight. The other piece will cover the top. So once you have it aligned, spray Tack Solution on top, hold it in position, that way it doesn't move, and then use your squeegee to secure it and tack it down. Okay, before you move on to stretching the film to the other end, make sure this is secured. If you're having a little bit of trouble tacking it down, something that can help the adhesive activate faster is applying heat. But before you apply heat, make sure you apply Tack Solution on top, that way we don't accidentally burn the film. So apply Tack Solution first and then heat. So grab your heat gun and apply heat around the area that we want the adhesive to activate faster, which would be this whole section here. Once this is secure, we can move on with the rest of the installation. And you could use the low setting for this part as well. Apply Tack Solution one more time on top. Make sure to just hold it in position just in case, and then pass your squeegee to help it tack down. And this is only if you're having trouble tacking it down, but if it's good on the first try, then you should be good. And now it's not moving, and then just finish stretching the film to the other. Since this section of the headlight has a bump in the middle, it is going to be a little hard to stretch the film to the edge here. So to help the film stretch more easier, apply heat right in this middle section, and then apply Slip Solution on the lens, and then stretch it and tack it down to this corner. So apply heat first. Once you apply heat, you're going to notice the film looks a little flimsy. That's because the tension it had is more loose now. Apply Slip Solution and then stretch going upward. That way the film reaches the edge. So stretch going upward. And now the film was able to stretch. Make sure this is covering the bottom. It's right on the edge. So lift it carefully. Make sure you're still holding it, that way it doesn't move. Spray Tack Solution onto the edge of the tint, and then spray solution on top as well. Grab your squeegee and tack it down to secure it. And this should help to secure it on this edge. And now we just need to focus on bringing the whole entire film down. Make sure to remove any fingers. To avoid creasing the film, apply Tack Solution onto the top surface of the tint, and then grab your squeegee and just glide it to remove all these fingers, and also remove any solution that's trapped underneath the film. Just tack it up, tack it down, and you can also apply heat just to help the film start molding to the design of the middle section of the headlight. So as you can see, it's starting to look flat, but in case it's still lifting, just apply heat to help it sit. Okay, and now it's becoming flat, and you just continue on until everything is flat, and just make sure you seal the top and the lower section before we move on to the next piece. So apply Tack Solution on the top and lower section, and apply heat to seal it, and then we should be good. So for the top piece here, all we're going to do is apply tack solution just on this edge here. That way it's more faster to tack down the film, and slip solution to the rest of the lens. And do the same for this side of the adhesive of the film. Spray slip solution to the adhesive side of the film and apply tack solution right on the edge where we applied tack solution for this section here. So place it down and make sure it's covering the lens here. So it should follow the curve. Everything should be good here. So secure this piece first before we stretch and align it to the other end. So hold it in position, grab your squeegee and tack it down. Make sure to remove all the solution that's trapped underneath the film. Make sure it's not moving. If it is, just apply heat. That way the adhesive activates faster, like how we did it for the front edge here. And then just help it tack down with your microfiber towel. This will help removing the excess solution that may be on the edges and helps it tack down faster. So once this is secured, stretch the film until you reach it to this section and you should be good. Stretch it to remove the fingers that we had here in the middle up to this edge right here. Hold it in position, apply tack solution on top, and slowly start tacking it down. Make sure to remove all of the solution underneath the film. That way when we apply heat, there's no bubbles left over and it doesn't lift over time. Okay, and to seal this section here, just apply tack solution, heat, and use your microfiber towel and your squeegee, tack it down, and you should be good. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight is to post heat the entire lens. So to post heat, just apply tack solution to the headlight, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat throughout the entire headlight. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help tack down the film in case it is still lifting, and also help remove any solution that may be trapped around the edges. So take your time when you're doing this step, and then when you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you love your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2019 Subaru Impreza. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.